Well, it's back to school season. This time of year can be expensive. Parents, teachers, everybody knows that. But there are giveaway events and other tools that can help you cut down some of those costs. So Tools for Schools is an event that's happening. It provides free meals, supplies, notebooks, and more for students, all of them, kindergarten through 8th grade. That event is Saturday from 7 to 11 at South Mountain Community College in Phoenix. There are other ways to save too. Did you know you can buy free money essentially? You can get discounted gift cards to stores that you need to shop at. Raise.com is a good place to start searching. They have the full explainer there. And Fry's, don't forget that you can't get discounts on gift cards, but you can get discounts on gas if you get enough points. Follow the social media pages of your favorite stores. They often post deals for when you either join their rewards programs or if they just feel like posting exclusive coupons and promo codes. Finally, shop at resale stores too. Check out Kid to Kid, My Kids Threads, ThredUp, Kidizen, and Once Upon a Child. Those are all really cool sites that will help you save on not only clothing but other kid items. So go to abc15.com/smartshopper. We have these and even more tips.
Yeah, you can always trade in those clothes as well there, right?
Make
Get
some
bonuses.
cash.
Yes.